Ukraine's drone army takes out a lot of Russian tanks on the front line that is charging Ukrainian position. But they also clean the battlefield, making sure Russia can't repair the tanks by destroying it completely. But sometimes they destroy the tank in hiding, not letting them be used on the front line anymore, hitting the less protected area on the top back section, resulting in a large fireball explosion, wearing down Russia's tank force by leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.